Hey, what's up, guys? So today, I only traded one ticker, APLS. So this is, I think, a biotech. Um, Clinical trials didn't do well for them or whatnot, and then they got hammered. Dropped a lot overnight, and you can see here, um, down almost $26. So anyway, so I took on the short side, missed this opening area, but I saw it was consolidating. It looked weak, and I decided to go concurrent with the trend. Short pop added to it. If it broke this level, I would have stopped out. It did not. It dropped, so I started to get out some, and then it started to consolidate a bit. So I got out most of it, and then on the drop, I covered completely. And then it looked like it was doing a reversal. And so if we look at the 15-minute here too, it seemed like it was going for a 15-minute high at the point when I took it on the upside, on the long. So I took it on the long side. It didn't really. It did pop up. It got sold back down. So I decided to stop out because I made some money here and I want to give back all my profit. I did give back almost half here. Fortunately, I did get out, and this is why stop losses are good because it then collapsed, held this level for a bit, and then when you look at like the 5-minute here, almost a double bottom, is it? So, yeah, almost a double bottom, I would say. Anyway, so on the 5-minute, it looked like it was gonna make a reversal. So on the pop up, I decided to add into a position. It went up, but again, it started to consolidate. So I scaled out, and I think I got out completely at this point. Then it looked like it was gonna break up. So I went back in, added more on the drop here, and then would have stopped out once it broke through this blue moving average. It did not. So it popped up, and you can see here, using what some of Thor had talked about in terms of volume price analysis, you see this huge sell-in candle. The volume was very bearish, but at the same time, the candlestick that closed was basically a hammer. So from that perspective, what it means is someone was trying to dump their shares, they're selling it, but once they sold, it got bought back up pretty quickly. So this is a good sign of this being bullish, and so kind of held on, waited to see what happens. There is this indecision, but again, volume was lower than average. This black line is average, lower than average, so it's most likely going to be a continuation of the trend, and it did. Kept on moving up. I sold out of all my position just because I was having a good day. I was having a bad day from my swing loss a couple of days ago, so I didn't want to jeopardize anything. And here it looked like it is going to continue to go back up. And this is the runway. So if we were to think about this on a trend basis, here is probably where the like this area in here is probably where the stock is basically bouncing, chopping back and forth, and now this is like the breakthrough area. It's breaking out of its funk, so it should have some upward runway momentum and keep on going. Maybe it'll hit back VWAP just because of how it dropped like more than half, almost 50% actually, the share price for APLS pharmaceutical. So anyway, yeah, that's that. I'm gonna stop trading and yeah, call it a day. Thanks, guys. And oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really trying to move up that subscriber count. So if you can, that'd be great. Thanks.